This web-based application includes an overview of each speaker and topic, as well as the possibility to carry out interactive polls, group work, tasks, and Q&A, including networking and matchmaking possibilities among the participants. First of all, you need to go to admin.worksup.com and enter your login details. Next, click Add New Event and create an ID which the participants can use to find the event. Do not change the ID after you have given it to the participants. In Settings section, select the background color to suit the identity of your event, and a header picture that can also be the logo of your event or event organizer. Select date or dates for your event. Start by clicking Add Agenda Day. Build your agenda by clicking Add Agenda Element. Blue button for adding Agenda Day, green button for adding agenda elements. For breaks, workshops, or other happenings, you can use preset icons. Element choices, presentations, breaks, workshop sessions. Use drag and drop to create parallel sessions. By enabling rating, the audience can rate the speakers. The chat section is for a discussion between participants and the organizer. No need to set it up, just keep an eye on it if the participants have written anything. From the Q&A tab, enable or disable questions and comments on a particular agenda element. From the Tasks tab, click on the agenda element where you can insert polls, text tasks, or image tasks. Participants can access the tasks from the Tasks tab. Administrators can decide to sort tasks into one block or in different blocks for different parts of a session. Firstly, decide if it's anonymous or not. Give your task session a name. In Add Poll, insert multiple or single-choice poll questions. Insert the question and answer the option and decide. You can select the option by ticking the corresponding box. Text tasks enable the audience to give text-based answers, ideal use for group work when audience is divided into smaller groups and replies certain tasks. For example, for joint analysis and later storage, you can ask the participants to draw first and then make a picture of it. From a series perspective, it can be a sophisticated scheme or chart that you ask the group to draw first and then make a picture of it using Worksup. For joint analysis and later storage. Under the event settings, you can see the label called Enable Networking. If you slide it to the right, you have allowed your participants to network. The homepage address app event.workshop.com and your unique event ID. Let them know if workshop will be used for Q&A session and walk through the event agenda with the moderator. Inform your technical team or people who help with tech equipment during the event. Good internet connection is always a must for successful workshop using laptop, tablet or phone to manage the presentation view. Secondary screen to show the presentation view. As an organizer, you will notice new messages if the number changes in the chat tab, so keep an eye on the chat and enjoy on-site communication. Organizers can boost the Q&A session by displaying a particular question on the screen while it's being discussed. For this, launch the particular session from Results section Q&A tab using the full screen arrow button. Attendees can rate a presentation or any other agenda element if the organizer has enabled it. Organizers can gather quick feedback by checking the ratings from the Results section rating tab. PS, this is particularly handy for pitching competitions or similar where in-depth feedback is not required. Organizers can present poll results in real time by choosing the Task tab from the Results section, then opening the preferred chart type from the menu right after the question. This displays the poll result on screen in real time. Notice the menu on the right. You can also easily switch between bar and pie diagrams. From T, you can optimize the design to fit the resolution of your screen or projector. Organizers can share results as a PNG graphic file or a live link by clicking the button on the side menu. PNG is handy if you wish to share a static picture of the result to a report or another paper-based summary of the event. Link is handy if you wish to share live results to an internet or social network to be followed in real time. Open answers and ask teams or individuals to elaborate. Summarize the session with a word cloud. Again, all the slides can be downloaded as PNG or shared by links if sharing is enabled in settings. The second button above all plays all the answers as looping slides. And choose the interval time between slides. This is handy when you wish to play answers passively in the background. Organizers can pick images from the workshop table view, look individual at every picture sent, or play them as a slideshow. This is how images will be projected on the screen. Organizers can download any diagram, text answer or picture answer as a PNG file for sharing via social media, event report or other media. Sharing needs to be enabled in event settings. Whoever gets the link can follow task results in real time. Download poll result, text answer or image answer as a PNG file and share. Organizers can download full PDF reports and XLS datasheets of tasks. Download all data and results as PDF for an event report or as XLS for later analysis.